As copper, only plastic or also copper and steel. Here is GI and then PPR, PVC, PPR, and then copper we are giving them the this rate. Yeah. So metal and copper not so much. Just this.